afternoon and mayroon kaming admin law class. And after nito, kami ay pupunta sa Samgyup Salamat ng blockmates ko. I'm so excited kasi ang tagal ko na rin nagki-crave. And like ko sinasabi, ba't pwede ako makakuha ng angle? So as I was saying, this is our last class for admin law. And parang we still have 4 topics for today. After nito, we'll have our independent learning days, then final examination. We're done with the semester. Kabado ko for next sem because super dami ng subjects na I'll take, but yun ang law school. It's part of the journey. Parang now that I'm about to finish this semester na super hirap ng adjustment ko, I'm just so happy na I am ending the first semester ng pagkabalik ko na at least okay naman. So yeah, nagpapalamig lang ako, pero after nito punta na rin ako sa school. So tara, parang tingin ko ito na lang ang dadaling ko at yung keys ko. Siguro yun lang. Tara, let's go. Let's go. Yes, I have work. Parang wala akong ganang kumain ng heavy meal. I'm just having snacks. And milk. I need to finish my presentation. And then later I'll show you yung after work rather. I'll show you kung paano yung plan ko for final exam. Two weeks before this semester ends, so todo na natin. Already logged in sa class. We have tax law class today. So we have an online class today, every Wednesday. Tapos, after nito, gusto ko magpahinga. Dahil I have lots of reports to finish for tomorrow. And gusto ko magpahinga ng maaga para tomorrow maaga ako magigising because gusto ko magbawi ng tulog. So, yun muna. We're just waiting for attorney to join in the class. Tapos, this will run for 2 to 3 hours. I'm not sure if she's gonna extend kasi parang may matitira pang 10 to 13 cases. Sobrang ng sabaw ko. But, yun ang update ko sa inyo.
In order for VAT to apply, there must first be a sale or a barter, exchange, or release of goods property.
So, we'll be preparing for finals. Ito yung subjects natin. Admin law, tax, and then property and land titles. So, inayos ko lang kasi may yung iba nandun sa laptop ko. So, let's have breakfast first. I just realized super hirap magpapayat. The last time na nag-diet ako ng malala, during pandemic, because I'm so worried, scared sa nangyayari noon. Parang, I lost 6 to 7. Basta I lost a lot that time. Mga siguro 7 kilos yung na-lose ko. But now, ang gusto ko lang bumalik sa dati kong weight. At ang hirap. I need to lose 7 to 8 kilos. My God. Ang hirap. So later after work, balik ako ng uulan pa. Let's see. So this is the cardio that I did. Itong HIIT workout, favorite ko talaga to even before pandemic. And I'm doing tong lymphatic flow. Tapos this this girl right here, CS mom to eh. So yung mga HIIT workout niya gusto ko rin ginagawa since ano siya, postpartum friendly. And then my favorite arm workout, itong kay Momomi. And meron din akong Chloe Ting na naka-download dito, but I don't do this anymore because di pa kaya sa akin, because for 8 months, 9 months postpartum pa lang ako. So I just do yung mga HIIT workout like this one. Pero yung isa ko pang gusto, itong si Kat Aglipay, my all-time favorite. Yung mga arm workout niya yan, favorite ko yan. Kasi yan talagang hirap na hirap ako. So I told myself na pagka-uwi ko from Singapore, parang 3 times a week akong mag-workout. So, today nag-workout ako. And then, Saturday, Sunday, mag-workout ulit ako. 45 minutes lang naman. Before I do 1.5 yung before pandemic, sobrang pagod ko na. Mag-shower tayo and then I'll continue working. Tapos mamaya mag-ayos na ako ng reviewers ko so that I can review for finals ngayong weekend. Because I still have 1 class left. So, we have class tomorrow and ito yung mga aralin natin. Involuntary dealings, registration of judgments, and petitions and actions after original registration. So, ito yung reference natin. And then, may nakita akong reviewer online.